Hi, I'm Clark Easterling of Windy Hill Foundry. Having a customer come next weekend, and I'm trying to get things lined up for this. And we're going to be using an A25 crucible. This thing pours 80 pounds of iron, which is going to require two of us. If you can imagine trying to pick a 50-pound sack of cement up on the end of a stick, there's no way I'm going to be able to do 80 pounds by myself. So Gary Cood from Texas, along with Kilroy, my neighbor in Vicksburg, they're going to be coming out, and we're going to pour this thing. This is what's left of a perfectly round wagon wheel rim that I found years ago, and I was going to save it along with the other hardware off the buggy and try to restore it. But since then, it got run over by the backhoe several times and lost, and I'm needing some flat bar, so I can't think of a better thing to use than some good historic iron here. I already made one ring. I got to realizing somebody may want to see a video on this done, so I decided I better start shooting now. It just got through raining, so everything's a mess. Alright, so the circumference at the base is 22 inches. Start on this end since I just cut it and it's still hot. So I'm using the actual crucible for the gauge, and that's not enough radius yet, so I got to bite down a little more. Oh, too much. But this one it's okay for it to be a little loose, but we want this one just over this radius here. Got a little bit of a twist going on. Let me show y'all a trick. If you want to have aggressive cuts, when your wheel starts slicking over concentric with a good even cut, break it loose, turn it 180 degrees and retighten it. And it'll only let the high spots of the wheel do the cutting, and it won't allow it to overheat and glaze the wheel over. You can remove a lot more material a lot faster that way. This ring's going to set right there, and I'm going to weld 2 straps on right here, and I'm going to weld the handle onto this piece. That's good. That's deadly. Deadly. I'm not going to be welding a catch on the top to hold it in there because there's no reason. Because you're not going to be tilting the crucible past 100 degrees. I'm not a welder. My dad is. I know just enough to get by on, and despite what they look like, they always hold, so I'm not going to complain. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it.